So let's talk about VPN. So VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. So in short summary, what is VPN? So VPN creates a secure connection between you and the internet. So when you connect to the internet through a VPN, all your data traffic is sent through an encrypted virtual tunnel, and this has multiple advantages, like you will be more anonymous on the internet, you will be safer on the internet, and you will be freer also on the internet. So let's talk about what is VPN. So back to the basics. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. So using a VPN is an easy and efficient way to increase your online safety, privacy, and freedom. So when you are using the internet, there is a constant process of your device exchanging data with other parties on the web. So a VPN creates a secure tunnel between your device like smartphone, laptop, PC, and it connects to the internet. So the VPN allows you to send your data via a encrypted secure connection to a external server, which is the VPN server. So from there, your data will be sent onward to its destination on the internet. So rerouting your internet traffic through a VPN server has several advantages. First, it helps you to hide your identity online. Second, it secures your data. And third, it allow you to use the internet more freely without getting caught. And also, you can use websites that are restricted on your country or on your region. So you can also visit those websites. So how VPN works? Connecting to a VPN is generally quite simple. So after subscribing to a VPN provider, you download and install an VPN software. Then you select a server you want to connect, and then a VPN will do the rest of the things for you. You don't have to do anything. So when connection has been established, first the VPN software on your computer encrypts your data traffic and send it to the VPN server through a most secure connection. Then the data goes through your internet service provider or ISP, but they can no longer snoop because of the encryption. Second, the encrypted data from your computer is decrypted by the VPN server. Then the VPN server will send your data on the internet and receive a reply which is meant for you for the user. Then the traffic is encrypted again by the VPN server and then the VPN server is sent back to you, and the VPN software on your device will decrypt the data so that you can actually understand and use it. So the VPN application runs in the background of your computer, mobile, or tablet. So you can access the internet as you normally would, and you won't notice anything different because VPN itself will do all of those work, and then you will be able to get around online with restrictions. So let's talk about some of the best VPN that you can get. So let's talk about the best 5 that I used so that I can give you my opinion for the best. So the first one I would say is ExpressVPN. I think most of you heard this name, and I would say the ExpressVPN is the best anonymous VPN which is highly private. So let's go to Express. So this is the best anonymous VPN, highly private and packed with feature with zero logs policy. Then stealth server and also has 30-day money back guarantee. So let's talk about the pros that I noticed. It is super fast, great for streaming, customizable encryption option to maximize the security, then easy to use apps for all platform. Then it has zero logs policy, and it's or with a long list of streaming service. So the thing is, every VPN has cons, even though they are great. So it also has cons, like it has like only 5 simultaneously connection are allowed into this ExpressVPN, and I think this is the most expensive, because I think it's per month is like 12 to $15, I think, as far as I remember. So let's go product for Windows. So as I said, it's $12 per month, and I think this is the premium and the best you can get at this price. And the thing about one of the issue is, if you are into this ethical hacking, it has lack of port forwarding, so make sure you remember that. And the second one is NordVPN. So NordVPN is the best feature is, I would say, anonymous VPN, including a kill switch, leak protection, and also stealth server, as well as 30 days money back guarantee like ExpressVPN. As you can see, it has lots of features. So let's go see the pricing. So per month, as you can see, is lower than ExpressVPN. So let's talk about the pros. It accepts Bitcoin for more anonymous payment. Then it has ad and malware blocking tools, including the offer, and it is consistently, I think, the best first connection, and plenty of customization for privacy. And let's talk about the cons. So it's expensive, as you can see, $12 is very expensive. It has also no port forwarding, and it is not ideal for torrenters who use torrent. And it has similarly the 6 simultaneously connection one at a time. So third is private internet access. So let's search that. So private internet access is the one of the secure anonymous VPN with a code proven zero log policy and customizable security features. So all of those are 30 days money back guarantee. So let's talk about the pros. So it has advanced encryption options, which is like including OpenVPN and WireGuard, and also it has no logs policy, proven in code, which is the good thing, and it has huge networks of server. So let's talk about the cons. So not the best VPN for beginners who needs a hands-on support, and I think it is the US based only. So it is in the slower side. It is not quite fast as ExpressVPN or NordVPN, but also it's expensive. Even though it has lacks on like speed and connections, it also asks you $12 per month, so it is very expensive. With this, I would not recommend. With this price you can go after ExpressVPN or NordVPN. And another one, let's talk about private VPN. So this all of the VPN that I used, so that's why I am talking about features that you can try. So this is the best cheap anonymous VPN, I would say, in top 5. Plans are inexpensive, apps are very easy to use, and there are no logs. So let's go to pricing. As you can see, very cheap, $9 per month. And so let's talk about the pros. It is the cheapest VPN on the list that I am showing. Very beginner friendly and smooth surface. Works seamlessly with most streaming platform like Netflix, HBO Max, Disney, etc. And so another thing is, let's talk about the cons. So not independently audited. It is slower as you realize in $9 it will not give you the same fast experience like Express or NordVPN, and it has fewer servers than ExpressVPN. And the last one is Viper VPN. So Viper VPN is, I would say, the all-rounder anonymous VPN with sleek apps for all platform and audited zero logs policy. So let's see the pricing. Where is the pricing? Features, benefits, get Viper VPN. Choose a plan. So as you can see, it's higher than our previous VPN, which is private internet access. It is nearly an $8.5. So let's talk about the pros. So it has audited no logs policy. It is very fast and secure due to its infrastructure, and it has a proprietary Chameleon stealth server for advanced authentication. And for cons, it has a connection time that can be a little slow. So it does not accept crypto payments, and also other providers have more servers to choose from than this one. So out of all of those, I would suggest you go for either NordVPN or ExpressVPN. These are two of the best VPN server you can get. I would not recommend you to use free VPN service. It is not secure and very slow. So make sure you always go for the premium, and even if you want to spend lower, make sure you at least use Viper VPN or internet private VPN, because they are the lowest at price, like $7 to $8. This is the option that you can choose out of all of those premium features. So that's all about the VPNs.